Good evening and welcome to Ụmụnkwụkwa. This is a project attracted by Honorable Austine Chukwukere, the member representing Idato North, Idato South Federal Constituency. We are here to get the status of the road, which is under construction, how bad this road have been. The engineer, maybe when we get him to talk to us on video, the engineer will tell us what they've been able to do to get to this point. We'll take you from here where the old road ended and where the new one just started. We'll take you from here down to how far they've gone. They'll keep watching. This is one of their equipment. You can see the one behind in front of the vehicle there, another of their machine. This road leads from Ụmụnkwụkwa down to Akpulu. It's a major road that when fixed finally can solve the issue, the challenge of movement, the problems of movement from Akpulu straight to Ụmụnkwụkwa. This is the station of the road. This is the state. This road actually has two-sided drainage, but yet the amount of flood rushing to this place has always been a very big challenge to this community and the environs. I'm taking you downwards from leaving Ụmụnkwụkwa, going down to Akpulu, where I will meet the engineer handling this project, and he will talk to us. Keep watching. Okay, you can see this is the state of this road. The next time we will tell you that Idato Federal Constituency is the most marginalized federal constituency in Nigeria. Please don't doubt us. This is a strong evidence. All this period, Honorable Austine Chukwukere has been crying in the house, and he has not been taken for granted. You can see the state of the gully erosion in this place. This is one of the most busy roads when the road was in a useful state. And you can see even the occupants of this house have just left the house because they cannot walk on this road and they don't have access to their houses. Okay, I will bring the engineer handling this project to talk to us. Engineer, good evening.
Oh, well done.
Please, can we know your name?
Okay, I'm Engineer Patrick.
Engineer Patrick, I have just seen the state of this road and the level of damage. Can you tell us how this road was when you met it and what you are doing to arrest this situation?
Yeah, it's actually a pathetic situation, because the whole of this place has been eaten up, eroded completely. We discovered that you can see channels, existing drains. This road has been constructed before now, but the current situation of the road is terrible.
Quite terrible.
So it's quite terrible. So what we're trying to do is to see how this place can be reclaimed.
Okay, I can see some chains of
Yes, these
stuff.
are we are introducing kind of check. These materials are called gabion materials. These are galvanized wire meshed.
Okay.
They are used for erosion jobs in critical erosion areas. These are the materials that are used. But what we are seeing is enormous. And so what we're asking for is funds that can reclaim this road. You can see it's a stretch of about 600 meters. You have a terrible gully, you know,
Very terrible.
you can see that these are people residential buildings, and they don't have access to those places again. So what we're appealing is for the government in any way they can do to ensure that this place is reclaimed, so that we don't have these residents here eaten up by the incursion of the gully, because the land keeps caving in as the water keeps eating up the soil. So we are trying to see how we can reclaim this stretch. You can see the stretch that we have brought laterite. It was as deep, and so we are doing the filling. But we are asking that more funds should be made available for the job to.
Okay, I learned the honorable member just left here about 5 minutes ago. Did you have any word with him concerning how you going to make sure this road is reclaimed?
Yes. He was impressed about what we are doing here, and we told him that our constraint is just the funds. Yes, and he saw reason with us, and then he asked that he will do something about it, on how to push so that further funds can come, so that this place can be reclaimed, because it's in the middle of the town, the middle of the city. That's when you are seeing this terrible erosion.
It's a major road connecting two towns.
Yeah. So.
Okay, engineer, that means you are promising the Delta people that when funds are eventually released, this road, as I'm seeing it, in fact, I'm not an engineer, but I think it's going to be a very difficult job. So you are assuring us that when funds are released, these jobs are going to be completed.
Yes, definitely.
Okay, engineer, we thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for your effort.
Thank you very much.
Okay, our viewers, you have seen the state of the road, and I believe you appreciate the efforts of the honorable member himself and the company handling this job. You see introduction of new techniques. I don't know how they call it in engineering terms, but you see, I've not seen this type of
they call it
gabion boxes. I think is a new style of arresting erosion areas. So we have to encourage our honorable member, who is also pushing to ensure that this road gets completed before, as soon as possible, so that the rainy season will not come and meet it and destroy the little efforts that has just been put in. So we thank you very much, and continue to covet your encouragement for our honorable member and the government at large to ensure the promise they made to us will come to fruition. Thank you for watching. This was brought to you by Motion Life Report. Thank you.